Happy morning. I'm Avinashi of grade 10 from Shakthi International School. Today I am going to explain some valuable information on Arunachal Pradesh. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. The latitudinal and longitudinal values of Arunachal Pradesh is between 26.28 degree north and 29.38 degree north latitude and 91.20 degree east and 97.30 degree east longitude and has an area of 83,743 km square, that is 32,333 square miles. The Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh is Sri Pema Khandu. The current governor of Arunachal Pradesh is B.D. Mishra since 3rd October 2017. The current ruling party of this state is Bharatiya Janata Party and the opposition party is Janata Dal. The state bird of Arunachal Pradesh is great hornbill and the state animal of Arunachal Pradesh is Gayal. Now let's see some famous tourist spots located in Arunachal Pradesh. First is Zero Valley, which is located in Lower Subansiri. The highlights in this place is sightseeing, camping and the cave temple. Second is Namdapha National Park, which is located in Changlang. The highlights in this place is watch wildlife and elephant safari. Next is Tesu, which is located in Lohit. The highlights in this place is Botanical Garden Museum. Cultural dances. Some popular cultural dances in Arunachal Pradesh are Aji Lamu, Chalo, Kiri Kaning, Popir, Panang, Pasi Kangi, Rekam Pada, Rapi, Lion and Peacock dance. Specific music of Arunachal Pradesh is Manpa. Hindi and English are the main languages in Arunachal Pradesh apart from Sanskrit, which was kept optional. Traditional dress of Arunachal Pradesh for male is set dupan and for female is shawls, wraps and skirts. Appam or rice beer made from fermented rice or milk is traditional food in Arunachal Pradesh. There are three major festivals of Arunachal Pradesh: Siang River Festival, Pangsao Pass Winter Festival, Nyakam. Top colleges and university in Arunachal Pradesh. National Research Center on NRCY, West Kameng, Arunachal Pradesh. Northeastern Regional Institute of Science and Technology, NERIST, Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh. Arunodaya University, Itanagar. National Institute of Technology, NIT, Papampere. Himalayan University, Itanagar. Dera Natan Government College, Itanagar. I hope this video was informative for you guys and thank you.